So this feature in Claude is truly incredible. I started to test it. My team and I are using this feature to do more and more tasks that not too long ago you had to do manually. Hello and welcome to today's AI SEO tip. My name is Raulf. I'm an AI SEO and generative engine optimization expert. I'm also the founder of a boutique AI SEO agency called Boulder SEO Marketing right here in beautiful and sunny Boulder, Colorado. So probably many of you read the news today and came across a headline such as the one that you are seeing here. Global software stocks hit by Anthropic, wake-up call on AI disruption. As always, I'm going to put the links to the information that I'm sharing here right below in the description field of this YouTube video. So make sure, if you haven't read those news yet, I definitely read this news piece on the Reuters website. One of the reasons why global software stocks are hit is Claude's new feature on their desktop application. And as many of you are probably very familiar with Claude AI, the browser version of this large language model. So I want to show you why stocks are being impacted. I'm going to show you the desktop version of Claude and the new feature that is getting a lot of investors worried on where this is going. So let me head over here to my desktop. All right, I'm going to go full screen. So this is the Claude desktop version. We have a company business account, and this is what I want to talk about here today. So this desktop version has basically three features: chat, cowork, and code. I'm not going to talk about code, but as we all know, as many of us know, Claude is an incredible coder. So let's take a look at Cowork. This is specifically the feature why tech stocks are under pressure. Again, I'm going to let you read that news piece to learn more about why. So this feature in Claude is truly incredible. I started to test it. My team and I are using this feature to do more and more tasks that not too long ago you had to do manually, right? So let me come over here to Cowork, and then I already prepared a task that I let this tool run and do for me. So essentially here, you could tell it, hey, take a look at this folder, and then you give it access to whatever folder you would like it to perform a task in, right? So basically you tell it what you need to be done. So in this case, earlier this morning, I always take screenshots when I prepare presentations that I give, and they end up on my desktop, and then it takes a long time for me to clean those up, to go through. I usually do those when I'm on an airplane where I'm not interrupted. I just go through it, right? So this morning I asked Claude in Cowork, or I told it, hey, I have a ton of screenshots on my desktop. Can you help me clean up my desktop? Right. Then I gave it access to my desktop, and then here's the interaction, right? I'd be happy to help you clean up your desktop, blah, blah, blah. Here are a couple of questions. So it came back to me and said, hey, how do I need to sort them? You know, do you want me to delete them or keep them for you to make that decision? And then I gave it the answers and then got it. I'll organize your screenshots by content topic, etc., etc. All right. Then this tool will give you a progress report on the specific steps that it's taking. And you can see here, once it's completed, it strikes through the tasks. then, hey, I found 40 screenshots on your desktop spanning from this, this date to this date. And then it sort of walks you really through the process, just like a person would do, that I would task with this thing to do on my behalf. But it then identified and categorized the 40 plus screenshots, and it created, I guess, 7 topic based folders on my desktop where it categorized and then put the right screenshots in the right folder. So apparently these folders were created. I haven't checked that yet. So let's take a look at that. So here we go. Screenshots, right? And within this folder, we have 7 folder. Let's take a look at social media. Look at that. Let's check this out. All right. Yeah, this is a screenshot from a LinkedIn post. It did a good job identifying those screenshots. Let's take a look at AI images. That's right. Those are all images that I created using AI. So, point being is that this tool seems to be pretty incredible. Again, you need to download the desktop version of Claude AI, which is part of Anthropic. Absolutely one of my favorite large language models. So if you want to get more things done faster, I can highly recommend this tool. That being said, earlier today or in this video, I spoke about when I do presentations. I got a lot of presentations coming up. The first one, and obviously I invite you to join one or all of these presentations where you can hear me talk about AI and SEO stuff. First of all, on February 20th, I'm speaking at a wide focus webinar entitled Align Your AI SEO with High Impact Content to Dominate Search with Scroll Stopping Revenue Driving Social. All right. I'm going to put the link to all the information that I'm sharing here right below in the description field. This press release includes the link to the landing page, which I'm also going to include right below so that you can sign up for this webinar. Very excited to teaming up with White Focus and Eric Elkins, the CEO of White Focus, for this webinar. Then our next AI SEO webinar, where I present pretty relevant and informative information that you can put to work immediately with my business partner, Daniel Burns. This is an hour-long complimentary webinar, Wednesday, March 25th. I'm going to put the link right below in the description field of this YouTube video. Then our next AI, SEO, and GEO online summit is starting to take shape. We have just secured a couple of very high profile speakers. We're locking that in as we speak right now. So definitely bookmark this page or just sign up for the AI, SEO, and GEO online summit. It's going to be, we're changing the format a little bit. It's going to be a 2-hour-long online summit, but we have really cool people speaking, presenting at this online summit that's happening April 1st. And then if you're in Europe, specifically in Germany, I'm speaking on April 13th at the Gala World Ready conference in Berlin. I'm going to put that link right below in the description field. Early registration is ending soon. So if you want to sign up for this conference, do it sooner than later. It's a packed, incredible agenda. I'm speaking here on April 13th at 1:30 p.m. I'm talking about from search engine to answer engine, why your global content strategy needs generative engine optimization now. I think this will be a great presentation. I'm very excited to deliver this presentation in Berlin, Germany. So, sorry, that was a lot of information. I hope you learned something new. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Again, my name is Chris Raulf, AI, SEO, and generative engine optimization expert, and also the founder of Boulder SEO Marketing, a boutique AI SEO agency. As always, stay safe and healthy, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you.